Hello everyone, this is Rashid Ibad and I am recording this demonstration that is kind of a proof of concept for Irish Fund Extranet project. So I am going to show you how and what I have implemented. So basically here is the SharePoint based uh, online extranet portal web pages, so which is basically extracting the data from Power BI for different data which was provided to me in Excel forms. I actually exported that data into Power BI, and then from there consuming using a graph API and OData, and all this data is actually transforming transferring in form of JSON and showing here on the on the SharePoint portal. Now you can see from the this is the main workspace page. Here we have left navigation menu option where we have all the different type of assets available. You can see consultation and consultation. It has different subcategories, subtypes which were given to me, and the total count of the data is basically shown here. Consultation has 22 documents, and similarly the count of other subcategories are also shown here in the navigation control here. So this is a completely customized experience for extranet users, as a workspace, as a dashboard where they can come and interact. Okay, and similarly if I scroll down, papers are another asset category which was provided to me. All the you can see all the total number of papers count showing here, and the count of other drill down subcategories. So it has kind of a drill down experience. Now all the total submission 21, and what has its subtypes showing here, like RIG has 3 count, and similarly ESG policy has 3 count, and if you sum up all of these, so total submissions are 21. Okay, and let's come to the now to the main workspace first row, which has different charts and KPIs and aggregated values coming from the Power BI and in form of JSON its data. So this was net asset journal KPI information available on the Irish Fund side. I have just taken this data from there, and first and second 2 KPIs. So basically I want to demonstrate my card based KPIs and custom experience of showing this data. This is actually showing the data for year 2024. It is also showing the trend, how over the time it has been increased from last year. So, and similarly this number of funds for 2024, and how much it has been increased from last year. Okay, and how this trend is showing, like it was how it was in 2020, then in 2021, then in 2022, and now and how it was how much it was in 2023. So so basically these 2 KPIs I actually picked from the Irish Fund website, just general information, in order to keep the harmony and show the different kind of charts. So this was not provided in the Excel sheet, but I actually copied from the Irish Fund website. From the net I take this general information. Okay, and now there are basically another KPI which shows the number of completed documents. So total number of completed documents of all different categories are 63 out of 71 for year 2024, and still 8 documents to go, which are still in progress and live, and 63 are completed. And now this completion by drill down of completion by different different type of assets like consultation 22 out of 22 has been completed, papers showing that this one, 24 out of 22 completed, and submission 17 out of 21. And now this product is information is a stack based bar charts. It is showing different type of I have not shown all the subcategories and data. I have just picked the subset of the data here to show the stack bar charts. This is just to demonstrate how we can show different kind of information here. So stack information is showing different kind of assets and their subcategories and number of amount of documents available there. Okay, and now if I scroll down, and now there are this was also part of the assignment to show to create an app to show upcoming events. And now I have implemented as a custom experience in form of HTML5, CSS3, and web-based widget where all this information is can changeable, editable whenever user want. Content manager can do that, and even new information can be uploaded and it will be displayed here like this. And for example, this is upcoming events, and these are basically okay. And on the right side, these are weekly news. This is another widget, customized experience with the help of HTML5, CSS3, and all the UI stuff. Okay, for example, if you click on this link, okay, not here. The links are connected in the product sheets. Okay, now down, these are all the listing of different documents. This was also part of the assignment. So all type of data provided should be list, and we should able to drill down those with the help of filters as well, so that we can do. See, I applied the filters on the product sheets. Okay, now for the specific product sheet filter, now I can view. And if I click on the document and views, you see just one of the dummy document I have attached here, and it is viewable. And similarly, for example, if I go and say all, it will show all the list of the products, and you can just drill down very easily and with the customized user experience. And on the right side, these are the submissions. So different type of submissions are available here. So this is also in form of web part content, and all the data on the backend coming in form of JSON, And similarly below, papers and consultations. Some of the dummy documents are attached here as well. Okay, so this was our workspace dashboard page, assignment number 1 and 2, and then there was assignment number 3, which was collaboration page. So if you on the navigation on the navigation drill down menu, if you scroll down and for example go to collaboration, so it will redirect me to another page. So now here, this is our second collaboration page. It has on the bottom, and just to give a good look and feel, I just shown the different project sheet categories here. On the left side, it has same navigation menu, and now on the on the right side we have this weekly news widget. This I copied from the main window in order to fill the space here so that it's look good. And it has recent documents here which are uploaded. We can actually view all those recent documents as well listed here. And it has videos and podcasts as well. For example, if I click on this podcast, and now I can play this video as well. So all these assets will be coming from SharePoint and will be displayed here for the extranet in a very good user experience of portal. And similarly, all the data from Power BI and other things will come as in form of JSON. Now I can show you